In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Pagefly page in just 5 minutes. If you've created a layout or design in Pagefly that you'd absolutely love to use again without starting from scratch, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into how you can effortlessly duplicate a Pagefly page within your Shopify store. To kick things off, open up your web browser and head over to the Shopify website. Here's where the foundation for our page duplication process begins. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look for the login button. Is hard to miss. Click on it and you'll be one step closer to accessing your Shopify store's backend where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email address you used when setting up your Shopify account. Type it in carefully and proceed to the next step, which involves entering your password. Your password is the key that unlocks your Shopify kingdom. So make sure you enter it correctly. Then click on login and you'll find yourself at the heart of your Shopify store, ready to make things happen. From here, navigate to your Shopify store's homepage by selecting My Store. This takes you to your dashboard, a command center from which you can manage each aspect of your online store. Now for the main event, getting to Pagefly, on your Shopify dashboard, look for the apps section. This is where all your integrated apps live, including Pagefly, the powerful page builder tool we're focusing on today. Click on Apps A, and then look for Pagefly Page Builder from the list of apps you have installed. Pagefly makes your store's visual merchandising easier, allowing you to customize your pages to your heart's content. Clicking on Pagefly will take you directly to its dashboard, where creativity knows no bounds. Within the Pagefly interface, what you're going to want to do next is navigate to the Pages section. This area showcases all the pages you've designed using Pagefly. It's like a portfolio of your online store's visual assets. Now, find the specific page you wish to duplicate. You crafted it once with finesse. Now let's clone that creativity. Click on your chosen page, which will take you to a detailed view. Here's where Pagefly keeps all the tools you need to modify and enhance your pages. But our goal today is duplication. So look for the 3-dot icon, often found at the corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but our golden ticket today is the duplicate option. Select it, and voila, you've successfully duplicated your Pagefly page. By duplicating your Pagefly page, you've saved yourself a heap of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch, you can now tweak the copy, adjust the layout slightly, or switch up images on the duplicate page, making it perfectly suited for its new purpose. Remember, duplication is just the beginning. It's what you do with the duplicate that truly counts. Whether it's launching new products, creating a special campaign, or simply wanting consistency across your site, duplicating pages can be a massive time saver. And with Pagefly and Shopify, it's easier than ever. I hope this video helps streamline your web design process within Shopify using Pagefly. Duplicating a page doesn't just speed up your workflow, it also ensures that you maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your store, reinforcing your brand identity. For more tips, tricks and guides on making the most out of Shopify and Pagefly, stay tuned to our channel. We're here to help you make your e-commerce journey as smooth and successful as possible. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.